Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to create a blog post section like this in WordPress using Elementor. So here you can see like we have a title and other things. After that we have our blog post over here which is directly linked to a blog post which is actually a like here you can see this is a blog post with the titles and everything. So we are going to create these blog post section in this video. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become a part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different themes developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So first of all, to create this blog post section, again here you can see I am now in the dashboard of my WordPress. So what I will do, I will go to the pages and let me load my Elementor page builder, and then we will start adding these blog post section. So before that, let me tell you I have already created 3 blog posts, and if you will see, let me open the dashboard again in a new tab, and here in the dashboard let me go back and I will go to the post, and here if you will see I have created 3 blog posts over here so that it will not take time in this video. So our main focus is to create this blog post section in our page. So let's go, and here what I will do, again I will click on this plus icon and I will take a single section. Let me make the height to fit to screen so that it will be visible properly. Now let's go to the widget section, and here if you will search for post, you will get a lot of options like blog post by Element Kit and a normal post also. So here I will drag this post over here, and then you can select like whatever skin you want to, like skin you want to have classic, or if you want to add cards, or if you want to add it like full content, you can add it. And then you have a column, if you want to make it 2 column or 3 column, you can do it. Post per page you can set it, let me set it to 3, and then image position it would be top, and then image size let me make it full. Whenever you will set the image size to full, now you can see the image clarity. If you will see, let me make it to again medium, and you will there will be a drop in the image, but whenever you will select this image full, it will be perfect. Image ratio let me make it 0.73, and then image width should be 100%. So title, so we need a title over here, and then we need a like text, and then a read more button. So we need like metadata, no date or no comment, we don't need any metadata. And then here we have a separator between, everything is fine. And then read more text, we don't need this arrow mark, we have only read more. And if you don't want to read more, you can enable this. And then if you want, whenever someone will click on this blog post to open it in a new tab, you can enable this open in new tab, and it will open this in a new tab. After that, here you have a queries like if you want to set ignore sticky post or anything, then if you want to set pagination, you can do it, but we don't have, like we are creating a 3 page only, that's why. Then in the style tab you can set a column gap according to you, let me set it to 30, and then row gaps also you can set it. After that but we don't have any row, that's why it is not working. And then you can set the alignment of these text, like it should be left aligned, center aligned, or right aligned. After that we have a box option. In this box option you can set a padding and all, border radius, content padding. I don't need all these things, that's why I am removing thing. Then we have a image option. So here in this image option you can set a spacing between the text and the image. So let me set a spacing of 46 between the image and the text. And then we have a content option. So this is the main thing where you can like able to set up or change the typography and all. So for the title, again you can change any color, and then you can change any of these what we called it, font size and all. So let me make it 1.2 em of font size, and then line height I just want to make it 1.5, it should be em, right? 1.5 em of line height, and then spacing between them you can adjust it from here. So let me adjust the spacing to 18. In the same way, we don't have any meta, so no need to do anything with the meta. Let's directly go to the excerpt, and here in this excerpt again you have a typography option, you can change it. So let me go select this 1.06 em of font size, and then font weight is fine, and then line height I want to give it 1.6. it is fine. And then here we have this read more, so whatever color you want to give like this, you can give it to your read more. And then if you want to adjust spacing between the excerpt and read more, you can adjust it. I just want it to 10. And then here let me give it a 18 pixel of, or reduce it to 16. After that, whatever typography, or if you want to make it more bold like 700 pixel, you can do it. And if you will notice, with this we have completed this blog post section. So this is the way how you can add a blog post on your WordPress page. And then if you can also go to the responsive mode, and you can check like how it is looking in mobile view, and you can see like it is looking perfect in the mobile view also. So thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.